I started my online business almost 3 years ago. And I started it so that one, I could stay home with my brand new daughter who was 4 months old. Two, I could do something that I actually love doing. And three, I could work around my hours and not have to worry about doing the 9 to 5.
I wonder how bad that tastes.
Now, if you want to start an online business and you're not sure where to get started, don't worry, in today's video, I've got 10 online business ideas just for you so that you can have that freedom to deciding when you want to work. Hi, my name is Trina, and on this channel, I help creative entrepreneurs figure out how to start using YouTube in their business strategy. And if you want to start creating a business here online and you think it's super saturated and you'll never stand out, no, that is not the case. You can still create an online business and see success. But maybe you're wondering, where do I even get started? Maybe you don't know what skills that you have, or you don't think anybody will pay for the skills that you do have. Let's walk through 10 potential business ideas you could start tomorrow. The first is virtual assistant. Me and a lot of other business owners like me need help in our business, whether it is responding to emails, setting up systems, planning our travel, finding hotels, booking our calendars out. We need help doing that, and we're willing to outsource it because we need to focus on the things we're good at. I need to spend my time on creating YouTube videos and growing YouTube channels. I don't have the time to focus on those other things. Those are the things that I want people to do for me, and I'll pay them to do that. The next idea is social media managers. Again, a lot of people in my situation are growing Instagram accounts, Pinterest accounts, Facebook accounts, and we can't do it all. We need somebody to help us post to Instagram or find photos to post to Instagram and just make sure our feed looks good, and even responding to comments. So when somebody responds to our post on Instagram, we need somebody to respond to them quickly so we can help to grow our Instagram following. So you could potentially start taking over some of these tasks for people by responding to comments, or scheduling Facebook Lives for people, or posting pins on Pinterest for people, because we need somebody to manage that social media aspect for us in our business. The third idea is coaching. And if you've already been in some type of business, you have some expertise or any particular niche that you did well in corporate or for somebody else, you could start offering that as coaching to people. A lot of times we don't think about, people need accountability and people need to check in with other people when we're doing something. So could you offer something like that to start building that client base to help make your money in your online business? Along with coaching, idea number 4 is consulting. People will pay lots of money for consulting. So where is your zone of genius? What can you consult on? For example, I consult on YouTube, what you can do to make your YouTube channel better. People consult on how to make their Instagram better. People consult on sales funnels or sales calls. What could you consult on? What's your zone of genius that people need to know? If you're a teacher, maybe you could consult with school districts on how to create better lesson plans. The next idea is meal planning. If you could come into my world and plan out my meals for me and tell me exactly what I need to buy at the grocery store and exactly what I'm having for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, totally sold. So is that something you're good at? Planning meals for people and then selling these so that I just pay you $10 and I have my week's worth of grocery ideas and meals done. Another online business idea is a stock photographer. A lot of the times I need different stock photos of people working, or overlays from my Instagram, or photos on my website. If you love photography and you have all these different ideas to shoot photos, you could start selling those photos online. Even if you've traveled places like Paris or Prague or somewhere in Australia and you have amazing photos, you could start selling those as prints to people. Another business idea is a web designer. So a lot of websites are getting easier to do, but sometimes us as business owners just don't have the time to do it. So like Squarespace is really plug and play. All you have to do is move some things around. There's not a lot of coding needed where you need that extra education. You can learn a lot of it just by trying and watching tutorials. Could you potentially help a business owner figure out their Squarespace or post blog posts for them or set them up a new website just by following the Squarespace tutorials? Another online business idea is copywriting. So are you good at words, or have you done copywriting before, whether it was sending out your business newsletters or writing training pamphlets for your business? I know I don't like to write, so I outsource a lot of my copywriting. Is it possible that you could potentially write blog posts or social media posts or even emails for business owners? Another online business idea is a graphic designer. Now, whether you have the background of graphic design or you can learn it, there are so many great online courses that you could start to learn a new skill and start selling it. There are programs like Canva that are really easy to learn, that a lot of the times that's all us as business owners need, is a Canva image that we can put on Pinterest or use as our YouTube thumbnail. Is that something that you could learn and start selling that as a service to build your online business? Another business sometimes we don't really think about is an Uber driver. Uber drivers make a lot of money, and you can really pick the hours you want to work. So if you know you can put your kids down at night and your husband's at home and you would rather work in the evenings, you could totally do that. Or maybe they go to preschool and you just can work 2 hours a day, or maybe you want to work in the morning if you're in a busy metropolitan area. That's such a great way to start making extra money to help you eventually leave your daytime job or leave the job that you hate. We don't tend to think about Lyft and Uber as a potential business opportunity. I want to know, what are some of your business ideas that you have? Are you going to start a new business now that I've opened up all of these doors for you? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to use YouTube specifically in your brand new business you're going to launch, make sure you click that playlist that is on your screen right now. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips, tricks, and strategies on how to use YouTube effectively in your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.